Hi everyone, welcome back to AzraBeautyHub.com. My name is Rosina. I'm an Avon Independent Sales Representative, and today I have a scissor in my hand. And if you're wondering why, stay tuned. But before I go on, if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. While you're there, go ahead and click like. Also, if you're looking to become an Avon representative, it's free to join right now. You can go on my website, click on Become an Avon Representative. It takes 5 minutes to sign up and literally few seconds to get going. All right, so let's get right to it. So you want to know why I have a scissor in my hand? Well, guess what? We're going to unbox my Campaign 3 order. And there are lots of exciting and new products in there that I have not covered in my previous videos. So whatever you see here, remember, every time I unbox a campaign order, you will see those videos being done individually later on. So just remember that. So if you're curious about those products, I quickly show it during my unboxing. Once that's done, later on at some point, we will post a video that talks about that product, okay? So you ready to go? Drum roll, here we go. All right, so I have a couple, like I said, different products here. So I'm gonna show them to you as I go. So I'm quite really excited about it. That's why I could not wait to actually crack this baby open. All right, so here we go. Samples. I've ordered samples for my customers. So the first thing that pops up on top is Lured Rose du Soleil All Day Perfume. That's one of the new samples that's coming out right around Valentine's Day or so. So keep a lookout. More samples. Studio 1886, and this is Eau de Toilette for men. It's a legendary collection. This is coming out for men for Valentine's Day. So anyone looking for a Valentine's Day gift for him, this is a really nice cologne for him. All right. So a couple of more, samples for my customers. All right, let's see. I have fashion. Okay, this is a hooded pullover with a built-in mask. You heard me right. If you want to know what it looks like, you have to stay tuned. Let's see, what do we want next? Okay, all right, fresh bergamot and wild mint body mist. Okay, let's see. This is same fresh bergamot and wild mint shower gel, so I guess it's a set. And fresh bergamot and wild mint body lotion. That's a cute little set right there. Let's see. This is the new Ultimate Day Cream. It's the multi-performance cream. Broad spectrum SPF 25, has sunscreen in it. All right. This is waterproof lip and eye makeup remover. Ta-da! All right, let's see. This is a Chia Essentials, Avon Chia Essentials Thermal Protecting Spray. All right, let's see. Next is the new Power Serum for your part of your skincare routine. This is Lock Me in Love keychain. You gotta want to see that. This is going to be my Valentine's Day video, so be sure to stay tuned. All right, and subscribe to my channel so you can see all these awesome videos. Next one is a CBD. All right, so this is a CBD. It's a soothing and nourishing body cream by Velment. All right. This I have covered in my videos in the past. It's the Elastine Botanicals Cherry and Blossom. This is a shampoo and conditioner. All right, this is for moisturize. It moisturizes dry and damaged hair. That's what this is for. Sorry, I got a little tongue-tied over there. All right, this is a really nice foaming cleanser, and I actually want to try this one of these days. So it's a Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. Look how massive this is. This is pretty amazing. Look, this is the palm of my hand, and look how big this is. So it's pretty cool. Let's see. This is a newer product that one of my customers ordered. So I'm just going to show it right here. She ordered 2 of these. It's by Dr. Groot. Dr. Groot, it's a hair thickening shampoo. Scalp fortifying. Let's see. So I think this is another new product that I'm excited to kind of, show you guys, because I've not done this in any of my videos before this. Okay. Let's see. This product right here, it's a new perfume that's come to Avon. It's by, it's Ginza, Stephanie Ginza. So this one is called Wish You Were Here. And there's 2 different ones, and Avon has just introduced, and I believe it'll be launching next week. So they're really pretty scents. So, you know, be sure to check that out. All right. This product is a new clinical eye lift pro. It's a dual eye system, upper gel and lower cream. So that's skincare routine. Let's take a look. So these are really cute, and I will open this in my Valentine's Day video most likely. So again, I'll just show them to you together. These are 3 different candles. All right. So you can see the names on there. All right, so there is a black suede candle that's more of a manly fragrance. There is a haiku candle and the rare pearls candle. So these are colognes and perfumes, and they made that into a candle, which is pretty nice. You know, something different. Let's see, Avon Beauty Caddy. Okay, if you want to get organized with your beauty products, your makeup products, Beauty Caddy is the way to go. Let's see. More samples. All right, let's see. All right, so these are the bonus size Skin So Soft products. So this one is a Soft and Sensual. It's a body lotion for dry skin. Okay, and this one is the Radiant Moisture. It's also a body lotion for dry skin. The difference is just slightly the scents are different for these, but they're pretty good. This happens to be my favorite. So. And also, not just that, it also comes with the pumps for it, okay? So this way you can just use it on the go. All right, so let me crack this baby open right here. Let's see what else is in there. All right. Check this out. You get a sneak peek right here, right now, to what's coming, what's new. So this is for representatives only. We get this book called What's New. It's a preview for campaign 6. So it's the Belief products, and it's a happy birthday Belief as well. So here we go. Just you get a sneak peek up close and personal right now. So you get to see what the new products that are coming out in the near future. All right. So this came in a bag. That's why I'm just opening it. Okay, so this way I can show you what was in it. Okay, so let's see. This is a Studio 1886. Okay, very cool. It's a bracelet cord. It's a pull bracelet cord. It's Love. This one is Love. This one is also Studio 1886. This one is Breathe. It's also the bracelet. All right. This one is Studio 1886. This one is Believe. So I'll be opening these products in other videos. Let's see. This is the Avon Magic Dust Finishing Powder. Okay. And this is Avon Magic Dust Prime Face Perfector, and also has the SPF 20 sunscreen in it. Let's take a look. Eyeshadow Quad Duo. All right, here we go. Let's see. This one is the Mega Proof Mascara, Avon plus the Face Shop. So this was a collaboration product. All right, this is Satin Rouge Satin Moisture Lipstick. So this one looks like it's a really pretty color. It looks like a purple wave. I think one of my customers ordered it. So hopefully she likes it. Let's see. So this is a glimmer shadow. All right, it's a liquid eyeshadow. The name is Citrine. So curious, stay tuned. I'm gonna open these things. All right, so this is a cashmere lip cream. It's matte true red. Let's see. So again, cashmere lip cream, matte dark cherry. All right, cool. And just wrapping up, last but not least, last couple of things. This is a waterproof mascara. This is Love at First Lash Mascara. I had covered Love at First Lash Mascara a while back. if you want to go back to some of my videos, but this one is a waterproof edition of it. So Avon recently came out with this, so if you want something waterproof, that's probably the right product for you. All right, and these are very, very popular. They're glimmer sticks. So glimmer sticks, they have the eyeliners, they have the lip liners, and they're pretty good pricing. They're $4, so they come in different colors. This one's black and blackest black, and this one is a diamonds collection. This one is sepia, so you can see the color right there, kind of. And then this one's of course blackest black. So these are the products that I actually got in my campaign order this time, my campaign 3 order. But let's dig in to see what's below. So what's below says wait, there's more. So what's below are brochures. What's coming? So the next campaign brochures, campaign 5 brochures. It's the CBD dry oil. It's the perfume I showed you before, the sample I showed you before. So that's launching in campaign 5. All right. So be sure to stay tuned. Some of these things right here. All right, these books are really good because they have really great deals in them. All right, if you want a brochure, you can always feel free to comment below. I'd be happy to send you a digital catalog. This way you have the link and you can view all these brochures. This is a good buys catalog, I call it. The reason it's good buys because all the products, while supplies last, they're a final sale, but they have such good deals in here. You can see all these products right here. They're like really on sale, up to 50% off. Once the holidays are over, Avon launches these brochures, and this way you can see what's on sale, and you can probably stock up for the next holiday season. So again, this is something that you might want to think of up ahead if you want to plan it. That's something you can do. So all these products, these brochures, are available on AzraBeautyHub.com. So be sure to go ahead and check it out. Have a great day and always keep smiling.